Okay, day 5. This is my recording from day 5. They have gotten a lot fuzzier overnight. It's grown cool outside and they have gotten fuzzy. What? Look at there. Chirp, chirp. Look at there. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe even 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5. So they have definitely gotten bigger. Look at that. I wish I could get a little closer, but maybe later. See if I can find the mother. She just left with a mouthful of worms or something. She's gone again. She stays under that truck. Anyway, this is my birds, day 5, keeping you informed. Maybe we'll see them fly together. One last time. They are getting too big for the nest. Look at there. All right, good.